Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you two quick ways to add subscript and superscript in Microsoft Word. It's perfect for you when you need things like to in H2O or X2 in your document. A subscript is a text that appears slightly below the normal line, while superscript appears slightly above the normal line. First, let me show you the first method that you can use to apply subscript and superscript in your document. Let me write something over here. I'm going to write H2O and let me select it so that I could increase its size. Now, in order to make this 2 as a subscript, first I'll select it like this. Then I'll go to Home tab. In the font section, you can see we have these two options, Subscript and this one is superscript. Since I want to make it subscript, so I would click on this X2 and there you go. Now it is a subscript now. Similarly, if you want to make something superscript, then you can do that as well. For example, over here I'm going to write X2 and now I want this 2 to be superscript. So what I would do, I would simply select it like this. Go again over here into font group. This time I'll choose this option superscript and there you can see we have done it. Now if you click over here, you can see your text is still a superscript. In order to bring it down to a normal line, you will have to click over here again, and now if you do, you can see it's a normal text. So once you have applied this subscript and superscript formatting, be sure to check that they are untoggled. Now the second method is using the shortcut. This time let me show you how we can use these shortcuts to apply subscript and superscript. So simply select the text that you want to make a subscript like this, and from your keyboard press Ctrl Shift and minus sign and it would be converted into a subscript. And similarly, we can select the text for superscript like this, and this time we will press Ctrl Shift and equal sign and it would be converted into a superscript. And in order to toggle out of this subscript or superscript formatting, you need to apply the same shortcut. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.